this is Costa della Great Missington. Today I'm cooking beef short ribs. What I've done so far is I've taken off all of the fat here that sits on the top of these ribs. You see, you normally have a layer of sort of like yellowy fat and a membrane and a membrane underneath it. What I've done, I've taken the membrane off on both of my ribs. Rib 1, there's rib 2. I'm going to cover it with this Plowboys Bovine Beef Rub and then smoke them at 250 for around 3 hours, then maybe wrap them and see how they get on. I'm expecting the cook to take about 5 hours, so let's get cooking. See you in a bit. So I'm going to start sprinkling this Plowboys rub on. It's the bovine one. There we go. And I'll just give this a good coat across the top of the ribs and let it sit for a while I get the pit up to cooking temperature. Just give it a good press in, turn it over so I can get the side of the ribs, because you want to get the side as well. Get as much flavour on the ribs as possible. Not really going to bother so much with the bottom because it's just a membrane. I'm sure it'll pick up some. Not forgetting the ends as well. A bit of that. And the other end. Right, okay. These are all ready for the barbecue. Smoker's hit temperature, so let's get them on the pit and cook them away. Okay, so the drum's up to temperature now. According to the gauge, it's sitting at 250, which is ideal for ribs. Might even push it up to 275. Got a couple of lumps of cherry wood here. I'm going to put in the basket and smoke with that. Nothing too amazing. I don't really want to go too heavy. Just let the meat and the rub speak for itself. The temperature's going to be going a bit crazy in a minute, but we've got all the meat set out. I'm going to close the lid up now. And yeah, let it cook away. Okay, so it's been about 3 hours. We're going to check these ribs out and see what's going on. If you look down there, I've been using a self-made PID controller. There's my Maverick down there, giving us the temperature, so we'll go check them out. Everything's working perfectly, which is nice. In fact, turn this off so it doesn't go crazy when I take the lid off. And there we go. There's the ribs. Looking great. I'm going to take them over the table and wrap them up. So here's the ribs just off of the smoker. Got a decent pull back. They're really hot. But yeah, got a nice bit of bone exposure. Still pretty tight, and could do with a bit longer. That's fine. I'm going to wrap them up, get them back on the smoker, and let them do their thing. Give them a nice tight wrap. Get whatever moisture there is, help it along the cooking process. That's all right. Again. It needs to be pretty. This needs to be tight. You pour the liquid and moisture in. I'll break these ribs down. Right, I'll put them them back on the smoker and I'll see them in a couple of hours. These beef ribs have actually been sitting for 45 minutes, just under a towel. I probed them on the barbecue and they were quite tender, so I'm going to give them another go. Oh yeah. Absolutely like butter now. No resistance whatsoever. Yeah, I'm just going to pull these bad boys out, show you what's going on. So here we are, there's the short ribs. Spent about 5 hours on the smoker. Come out really good. I've served the other ones because the boys are hungry, which is fair enough. Just going to cut a bit of this off the bone. I mean, look, bone just fell out. Now I'm going to cut these off the bone. Christ. Yeah, these are good. See what we've got going on here. Look at that. Can't really argue with that, can you? Gonna have to try some. That's amazing. So what I'm going to do is serve these up. I'll show you the plate and give you a rundown of what's happened. Back again. So here's my finished plate of food. What I've got is a beef short rib. There, well, with some cabbage, mashed potato, and obviously the short rib. Look at the jiggle. See the jiggle there? Oh yeah, it's got it going on. How does that look for moisture? Absolutely perfect. I've got to be honest, I'm really hungry. So thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe, share the love. Also shout out to Pit Life Barbecue and Johnny Mags. I've done a live with him actually today, and drunk a load of cider and had a good old chat. So check out Pit Life Barbecue, Ugly Drum Smokers Barbecue UK, and also Costa della Great Missenden. This is Ryan signing off. See you again. Bye bye. Beautiful smoke ring, nice and soft with a cherry. I could just eat this, but I won't.